there.
It's a little chilly outside as well. Frost advisory in effect in the light blue shaded counties. You go farther west in the Piedmont, it's a freeze warning in effect for Person County, Orange County, Chatham, Lee, and Moore counties as well. Hopefully you covered up the plants before you went to bed last night. If you didn't, it might be a little bit too late because our temperatures have dropped to around freezing in a lot of spots, just not officially in the Triangle. Still 35 degrees on campus at UNC. On campus at NC State, 37 degrees, just a couple degrees warmer, but chilly everywhere. Each and every location across central North Carolina has registered temperatures in the 30s with the latest hourly update, anywhere from 30 exactly in Henderson to now down to 35 degrees in Goldsboro. That was the warm spot at 39 just a few minutes ago, but you dropped off quickly. 37 now the warm spots in Clinton, Fayetteville, and in Rayford, also 37 degrees in Rocky Mount. Our temperatures are going to warm up from this cool start, chilly start, but not real fast. Sun comes up at just before 7:30, so by 8 o'clock it won't have been up long enough to really warm us up to any great extent. 35 degrees still at that point, up to 55 though by noon. A nice warm up, winds out of the south turning to the southwest, and that will help to boost our temperatures up to the low to mid 60s for highs this afternoon. Still mild. That's 6 o'clock this evening with temperatures right around 60 degrees. Really nice weather for any outdoor plans you have in the works. A few degrees warmer the farther south you go, upper 60s for Fayetteville and the Sand Hills. Same thing for the southern coastal plain, and then just a gradual cooling trend as you head northward along I-95. But low 60s, not bad along the Virginia state line. Just a few degrees below average for this time of year. Low to mid 60s around the Triangle. Hardly a cloud in the sky. Just a few fair weather, very high clouds floating through. They won't slow down the warm up at all. Keeping an eye on the tropics. Usually we're focused on the Atlantic or the Gulf. Well, now we're keeping an eye on the Pacific. We have Hurricane Willa, which is a Category 4 hurricane here. We're making its way closer and closer to the coast of Mexico, kind of drifting to the north right now, but it's going to take a turn, and it is going to make landfall as probably a Category 3 hurricane by tomorrow evening. What does that have to do with our weather? Well, some of the moisture with this is eventually going to feed up into our direction. Not directly associated with the hurricane itself, just kind of the leftovers make their way along the Gulf Coast, and then we see our good chance of rain developing as we head towards the end of the work week on Friday. But between now and then, dry weather is going to prevail for the next several days, just riding the temperature roller coaster from the 30s this morning up to the low 70s by tomorrow afternoon, and then back down to the upper 50s for high temperatures on Thursday. A cooler day once again, and the rain that falls on Friday is likely to be fairly cool rain. We're talking about high temperatures only in the low 50s to go along with that good chance of showers, and those showers are probably going to linger at least into the first few hours of Saturday. We'll see if we can drop those rain chances a little bit for the second half of the weekend. It's a long way down the line at this point, but just be flexible with any outdoor plans you have in the works over the weekend. Aaron has the morning off, so I'm doing double